welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm in my bathroom, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair, how I prep it for a protective style. I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm doing yet because it will be in my next video. So I'm just going to show you guys how I normally do my blow drying process, and let's just go ahead and get right into this video. Alright, starting off, I'm just taking off my microfiber towel and I'm just showing you guys what my hair is looking like. It's very cleansed, and I shampooed and conditioned my hair, by the way, and I'll link the products down below. So I'm just going to use some alligator clips and a wide tooth comb to part my hair, and I'm just parting my hair down the middle, and then I'm just going to put that half section up, and then I'm just going to use the Hawaiian silky leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to put this all over the other section of my hair. And I use like a dime size amount, which really looks like a quarter size, but you already know how that goes. Alright, so now I'm just going to clip up that top section and work on the back. I'm using the Silk Elements Mega Silk Heat Protecting Spray, and I'm spraying about 5 to 6 times, and I'm just massaging this throughout this section just to make sure it's fully coated with that product. Moving on, I'm using the Heat Serum by Silk Elements as well, and I'm just making sure this is coated on this section as well. Both of these products work really well together to help keep my hair protected from the heat. Alright, so now I'm using my oldie but a goodie Infinity Pro by Conair, and I'm using it on the highest speed and on the warm setting first, and I'm just stretching my hair using the stretching method, and I am just making sure my roots are dry and my hair is just really stretched out first. Then I like to go in with my dimming brush and just detangle this section just to make sure it's smooth, no tangles, no knots. And then I'm going back in with my blow dryer for the last time, and this time I turned up the heat to the highest setting just so my hair can dry more and a lot faster. So I'm just running my dimming brush through this section, and I'm also blow drying my hair at the same time just to keep the tangles out and just to stretch out my hair and just to make sure my hair is just really dry. Alright, so as you guys can see, my brush is running through my hair really smooth and really nice. So now I'm just going to twist off this section, and I'm going to clip it up with my alligator clip just to keep it out of the way, and go ahead and start on the next section, just spraying it down with the heat protecting spray. Then I'm using my serum, and I'm just putting this all over this section. One thing I want to just mention to you guys is when you're using the serum, you don't have to use a lot. I used a lot for these two sections, and that's why my hair was like a little bit more oilier than normal when I'm normally blow drying my hair for like a protective style. But you don't have to use a lot. It doesn't take a lot with the heat protectant serum because it can get really oily, and that's not what I want. But I'm just basically doing the same blow drying process, just blow drying my hair using the stretching method first, and then going back over my hair with my dimming brush and the blow dryer at the same time. And basically it just helps keep my hair untangled, and it just stretches out my hair as well. And then it makes sure that my roots and my actual hair are both dry. So as you guys can tell, my hair is dry on one side, and it looks really good. Can you say hair growth, girl? Because my hair is growing and the shrinkage is real, which kills me, but it's okay because my hair is still growing. So now I'm just going to pin up this side of my hair that I finished, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the other side, and I just put it in a faster pace. Alright guys, so we're basically finished with this whole process. I'm just going over my hair one more time, and disregard the hole in my shirt. I was not going to use on my new sleeping shirt, so I just used the old one. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like when it's fully blow dry. All I did was use these products as my heat protectants, a spray and then a serum, both from Silk Elements. But either way, whether I do a deep conditioner or not, I will always use like a leave-in conditioner before blow drying my hair. It just to leave it a little extra protected and have a little moisture. But if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below for more hair tutorials. And if you guys stayed all the way to the end, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys for all your love and support, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.